Hey everyone, my name is Wade and I work on the customer success team. So one thing I forgot to mention about these 10 to 15 minutes beforehand, or this server URL over for encoder on your computer, I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to stream, and I already have the server URL in here. So you would want to copy this server URL over inside of your encoder, but since I already have it in there, I don't have to do that. I do need to copy the stream key though. So I'm going to start streaming. It's okay to hit start streaming in OBS, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes beforehand, or, 18 minutes is fine too. That stream is not going to go anywhere until the scheduled broadcast time, so until 12 o'clock in this case. Also, one thing I forgot to mention about these RTMP codes is they are a stack. Just make sure, once OBS, I can actually hit start streaming. And then any second now, we should be seeing that this is connected and ready to go, and that actually our broadcast is going to get ready to go here too. So actually, so since you're seeing a green dot here for RTMP2, that means we have a connection between your encoder and the dashboard. So if you want to go to sources, you'll see it's connected, we're ready to go, so that in 17 minutes, this will go live. So if you guys have any other questions or anything, definitely let us know. We can be reached at questions@foxcast.com. We'll be happy to help. Thanks.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Astromech Gaming tutorial on OBS, the recording and streaming software. So basically, I'm just going to give you a look at how to add a media source to OBS. So that's a video, say a pre-recorded video, if you want to do an intro for your stream, that kind of thing, or if you want some music in the background. Let's create an example scene over here. Spell the word example, and example scene kind of thing, or if you want some music in the background. So that's software. So basically, I'm just going to give you a look at how to add a media source to OBS. So that's a video, say a pre-recorded video, if you want to do an intro for your stream, that kind of thing, or if you want some music in the background. Let's create an example scene over here. We can spell the word example, and there we have it. Now all you need to do is in that scene add a new source over here, and we're going to choose a media source. So you can then choose whatever name you want. I'll leave the default, and click OK, and then we're going to look for a local file. So we'll click the browse button, and I have this count video, which I use as an introduction to my streams. It just ticks down the time and plays a bit of music for people to watch, so that once YouTube has notified them I'm streaming, it gives a couple of minutes, 5 minutes actually, for people to come and gather in the chat. Restart playback when source becomes active, I think is very useful. That means as soon as you set that as your source, it will play the video. You don't have to click anything or do anything more. Hardware decoding can leave as it is, and hide source when playback ends. Again, it depends on how you're going to use it. If you're going to have it with an ending picture that it's going to freeze on, then uncheck that box because you want that to stay visible. But if you want it to just disappear and then reveal whatever's behind it on the sources list, then tick that box and hit OK. And you will see we now have a media source. So we will click transition, and there you go. You're now watching the video. It's playing as you go. So I've put a green background on this, which you can then add a chroma key to, or we'll give you another tutorial on how to use green screen at another date. But essentially it will make the green disappear so that this text, the numbers that are ticking down, will appear over the top of whichever source you have underneath. And there you go, that is adding a media source. I hope that's been useful to you. If you have any questions, stick them in the comments or contact us on Twitter at either @AstromechGaming or @Kane_83 if you want to talk to me direct. See you next time. Bye.
Oh my God. This effing game. Are we bang right now?